Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Facebook profile picture, also known as the DP display picture. Whether you want to update your DP or remove it altogether, I've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on the 3 lines icon located at the top right corner of the page. Step 3. From the menu that appears, tap on Profile to access your profile page. Step 4. Next, tap on your current profile picture. Step 5. Now, tap on See Profile Picture to view it in full size. Step 6. At the top right corner of the screen, tap on the 3 dots icon. Step 7. From the options that appear, tap on Delete Photo. Step 8. To confirm your decision, tap on Delete once again. That's it. You've successfully deleted your Facebook DP photo. Your profile picture will now be removed from your account. Congratulations, you've learned how to delete your Facebook DP photo. Whether you're looking to update your profile picture or remove it, now you know the steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.